Alright guys, so you know what time it is. Today we've got another unboxing for you. So today we've got the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. One of my top videos was the PowerA Pro controller, and that one I did enjoy quite a bit. Personally, I did not like the Elite V1, but since a lot of people have been asking me to try the Elite V2, I've read up on it, they made some changes, and it looks like it's gonna be a better controller than the V1. Hopefully it's a little bit more comfortable and easier to use in the V1. I didn't like how the paddles actuated so easily. Hopefully those things are fixed by now. And with some other reviews that I've seen, it seems like they are, but it also seems like, I don't know how good this controller's durability is, and that's the biggest thing that bothers me. I don't know if in the time that I'm gonna be able to test this controller, if I'll be able to encounter some issues with durability. Honestly, I really hope not, but I just want that to be something that you guys keep in mind. But after I unbox this controller, I'm gonna use it for about a few days, maybe a week or so, and then give you guys my full opinion and breakdown on the Elite Series 2. But of course, better late than never. Let's go ahead and unbox this Elite Series 2. I remember I made an unboxing video on the Elite Series 1. I don't even think I ended up posting it because like I was gonna unbox it and then like review it, but I unboxed it. I could not get on board with the Elite Series 1, so I was like, forget this. Like it wasn't even worth reviewing, to be honest. But and you know, hopefully this one will be a little bit of a different story. Super simple box. I do like the packaging too. Let's see what else comes in this box before we just dive right into the controller. So this is the braided USB-C charging cable. One thing I do like about the Elite Series 2 is that they allow for the controller to charge right here, which this is really cool. Oh, what is this? Is this just like a cover or something? I gotta rip this off. I'm pretty sure I gotta rip that off. Yeah, I do. Yep, so that's gone. All right, so now the controller would be charging if it was plugged in. Something that I thought would be cool is like maybe if they had like a battery pack that was in here, so like when you take it on the go, it's always fully charged and ready to roll. But you know, it's an idea for the next one. The refresh that they're probably gonna do when they do a Series 3 when the new Xbox drops later this year. So just some documentation. Game Pass Ultimate. I'm cool. Oh, it's just a 14-day. You guys want this Game Pass Ultimate trial? Here, let me throw that on the screen right now. So if you guys want that Game Pass Ultimate trial, go ahead. Be my guest. All right, so really not much documentation. So these paddles do feel similar to the PowerA, which I like because those paddles to me were a lot more firm, where like the clicks had to be a lot more intentional, and I can already tell that that's been improved quite a bit over the Elite V1 because I was not a fan of it. This D-pad, very similar D-pad to the original. I do like how they made this one a little bit darker too. Like this whole color scheme is a lot darker than it used to be. The buttons look pretty cool. They got the new whatever button there right there. This one is Bluetooth too, so I can use it wirelessly on PC without needing an adapter or anything. The thumbsticks are magnetic, so if I want to swap them out, I can pick the shorter. Oh, is this one shorter or longer? This one's a little bit longer. This one feels a little bit better too. This one is, that's pretty different. So they got like this smooth, so they have like this smoother convex thumbstick now as opposed to like it's smoother and it's bigger as opposed to like the smaller, tinier convex one that comes stock on the Xbox One controllers. So that's pretty interesting. It's slightly taller too. Let's see. They have this is just another one. Let's see, this is like a short dome stick. I'm surprised they only give you one dome stick in the box too. That's the weird part. I feel like they should sell like the add-ons like separately, so you should be able to buy more of these and like a taller one, a shorter one, whatever. I do like this convex one too. This one is pretty cool. Super grippy, comfortable, I would say. So far, like my initial impressions, this thing is built like a tank. Your trigger stops are right here. So you have two different levels for your trigger stops. You have like a halfway, then you have like a hair trigger basically, and then you have your full press, like obviously really good if you're playing like a driving game or something. Impulse triggers are back, of course, because this is an Xbox controller. You got your magnetic paddles that are pretty similar to the original Elite. Slide that back in there. And then no more removable battery in the Elite controller. Like I said, because you can drop this one on here and have it charge wirelessly if you want to. We'll have to see how fast it charges. Since I play predominantly on PC nowadays, I don't know if I'll be able to kill this controller in 1 week just of testing it. So I'm gonna fully charge it, then I'm gonna use it for a whole week and I'm gonna see if it dies on me. And I'll let you guys know if it does or doesn't, and how many hours I put into the controller. But this rubberized texture on the sides, I do like. This is really nice, feels good, feels a little bit better, and maybe a little bit of like a tighter rubberized almost weave. I'm not gonna say weave, but like, I don't know, like the rubber grips don't feel as cheap as they did on the first Elite. The first Elite did have some pretty good build quality, and I did enjoy that part of it. But the biggest thing I didn't like is the paddles, and they seem to have fixed those. So I'm really glad that Microsoft changed how responsive these paddles are, and now they feel like they're gonna activate on a little bit more of an intentional click. I do like that they already have USB-C 2. Took them long enough. And then you've got your headphone port and then that auxiliary, whatever the heck jack that nobody ever uses anymore. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this thing in, start playing some games, and I will be back in my full review to let you guys know what I think of this new Elite Series 2. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to the video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. I will catch you guys in the next video. Oh, before I go, I do have a giveaway running on my Discord right now because we recently hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm giving away a Glorious Model O and a Glorious Model D. So if you guys are interested in winning one of those, feel free to join the Discord, check out the rules, and join the giveaway. But all right guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know what you guys want me to test for sure, that I'll kind of know like what you guys want to see in the full review. And yeah, it'll be lit. I'll see you in the next video.